Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, disconnect HDMI and power, then wait about 60 seconds so stored power drains and volatile errors clear. While you wait, inspect the HDMI cable for kinks and try a different HDMI port on your TV. Once done, power the console with no external USB drives attached. This rules out peripheral faults. Make sure the controller pairs and shows a steady LED. If it doesn't, the system might not complete post, and the green screen persists. You'll need to access the startup troubleshooter. First, with the console off, hold the pair and eject buttons, then press the power button. Keep holding until the second beep. Once in the menu, try restart to let the OS reinitialize caches. If restart fails, use offline system update only after confirming you have a FAT32 USB with the update file. This replaces corrupted system files. After either step, perform another power cycle, so firmware and cache rebuild cleanly. If the console boots to dashboard, choose Reset and keep My Games to restore system files while preserving data. If it won't boot, choose Full Reset. Once reset completes, test on another TV and use a verified high-speed HDMI cable. This isolates display handshake problems. If the green screen persists, gather the console serial and any error indications, check warranty, and contact support for repair or board-level diagnostics. A key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.